Another shameless plug for BizDrive.biz. The affiliate marketing component of the BizDrive service is outstanding. I'm so proud of it. This will help you connect to everybody and connect everybody back to you. And in a self-serve way, you can take your banners and your ads and your products and promote them all over the web, on all the free classifieds, on the forums, on every social network site I've mentioned, and you can have that traffic brought back to your site and track the click-throughs, see the sales that have been caused, know how your business is growing online. And you can use that same system to join these link shares and to join other affiliate networks and have other businesses start driving traffic to your site that you can measure and monetize and turn into sales. And when you do, you pay out the commissions. In fact, the affiliate system on BizDrive.biz does all of that for you. All of the accounting, all the commission calculation, all the commission distribution to you and to all the people in your network.